In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide posts in your LinkedIn feed. Whether you're looking to streamline your content or just want a little more control over what appears, this simple guide will show you how to do just that in just a few minutes. First things first, let's head over to LinkedIn, open up your preferred web browser and type in linkedin.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in to your account. You have a few options here. You can log in using Google, Microsoft, or by entering your email address along with your password. If you've set up two-factor authentication, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account with a code that's sent to your phone. Just enter that code to proceed. Now that you're logged in, let's focus on the real task at hand: tailoring your feed. As you scroll through, you'll likely come across posts you find irrelevant or uninteresting. When this happens, take a look at the upper right corner of the post. You'll notice a small icon that looks like 3 dots. This is often referred to as the More icon. Clicking on it will display a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, look for and select Not Interested. It's the option that helps filter out content that doesn't quite jive with what you're looking for in your professional feed. Once you click Not Interested, LinkedIn will prompt you to provide further feedback by asking why you don't want to see this particular post. There might be several options to choose from, like it's irrelevant, you've seen it too often, or it's too promotional. Pick the one that best describes your reason. After you've selected your reason, click on Submit. This step is crucial because it not only hides the post, but also helps LinkedIn understand your preferences better, making your feed more relevant in the future. And just like that, once you've submitted your reason, the post will be hidden from your feed and it won't appear again. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've made your LinkedIn feed more tailored to your professional interests. It's a great way to ensure that the content you see is both engaging and useful. Remember, staying in control of your feed can not only make your LinkedIn browsing more enjoyable, but it can also help you focus better on the content that truly matters to you. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this was helpful. If you found this guide useful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your LinkedIn experience.